So let's take how 12 fiber plan was prepared, which we say as scenario planning. This will deal also in public policy. Generally I say there, but public policy. Basically it came in during 1970s. It is also known as strategic planning. We expected a question we asked also, okay, but since planning was discontinued, then we stopped teaching and means not giving so much significance. Then because question will be asked on Niti Aayog, not on Planning Commission. But in public policy, we have been expecting a question on this strategic planning. Scenario term has been also used, planning, by Nicholas Henry. How policy is made nowadays. See, when we say scenario, so scenario means, let's say that first, let's say when you go for scenario, so you go for, let's say, initially you adopt 6-7 scenarios. So you will look for 6-7 scenario, possible options, possible alternatives, right? And then finally, let's say that they will be reduced through, let's say, 3-4 scenarios. Suppose you are preparing for your, let's say, preparation strategy. So if you want to prepare a strategy for preparation, so you can look into different possibility, how I should prepare this one, that one. Initially there can be 6-7 such kind of scenario you can look for. Then finally you can reduce what you should adopt. So basically it is like 3 scenario is called plan A, plan B, plan C. So most optimistic, it is most optimistic. Like this, it can be most pessimistic, most pessimistic, and it is mixed. So similarly, Planning Commission also, let's say, change its planning preparation. Scenario planning was prepared. The scenario planning was prepared with the help of, not because Planning Commission did not have that expertise. It take the help of National Council of Applied Economic Research. And it was asked to prepare scenario planning for 12 5-year plan. Hence, it came up with also such 3 scenario for 12 5-year plan. It has 12 scenario. 3 scenario means it has 9 to 10% GDP growth rate if it is most optimistic, and let's say that it will be 6 to 7% growth rate if it is moderate, and then it will have 4 to 5% growth rate if it is worst. Now, how it will prepare? What are those situations which will make worse? So then they will provide the drivers of change, the contingent factors, the contingency theory. So application of contingency theory. So contingent factors. What are the contingent factors? In contingent factors, they will have also out of box thinking. If situation becomes uncertain, situation goes, let's say, unexpected, if future changes happen, economy comes under crisis, etc. So they will look for the possibility of those contingent factors, and on the basis of the contingent factors, if contingent factors are, let's say that going as per plan, they know it, means everything is in control, so that is how the most optimistic scenario. If everything is not in control, so this is how the scenario. So it's not that planning was being done in a very mechanical way. You cannot write it. You can write planning was done till first 4 decades in a mechanical way, that is acceptable. That planning is not done in a such mechanical way. That's why while writing we should be trying to segment it, that planning till first 4 decades, so it was inward looking, but there was change thereafter, but still overall it was centralized. That is the language, rather than let's say writing one size fit all or whatever the things we say. So then you are not recognizing the changes which was experiencing, right? So, but do you think Niti Aayog is taking this into consideration? Not at all. In fact, it is a poor planning, worse than 12 5-year plan. Since now it has no credit, means credit in the sense that government has discontinued, it has a different perspective, so that's why even good idea is discredited. But it has taken into consideration convergence. Many sectors converge: education, health, this infrastructure, social infrastructure, innovation. They have convergence. One depends on the another. So there is a link between them. So what is the effect of convergence? Are we taking into consideration? There is a convergence. So how the convergence we can promote, or how the convergence is affecting. So we can say that if education is facing challenge, the education will affect other. The how education is going to let's say affect negatively industry sector, future of the country, that is also planned. How you understand? So recently when JNU subsidy was being discussed, the subsidy, let's say you know that the subsidy was reduced. Right. Everything cannot be seen as business. A very good article was written, I don't know that which person was, but a very serious good article on education and subsidy and why subsidy should be there. You know that the subsidy people were laughed at. There was also, media also laughed at, कि they cannot pay such number of rupee. They want everything free. They want to have a smartphone with subsidy. क्या क्या मीडिया वालों ने नहीं लिखा, right? Without realizing कि subsidy in education is different from subsidy to gas cylinder, right? But हमारे देश में मोटा मोटी दिमाग के लोग हैं, ठीक है, और वैसे ही समझते हैं. So they think that ki subsidy given to cylinder is bad, the subsidy given to education is also bad. That is how it is. But you know that case. Just think about one student. How much he contributes to economy. Right. His contribution is much more than what he gets as subsidy if he is made a resourceful person. Right. And if he is not a resourceful person, he is a liability on economy. आप देते रहो, dig well, fill well, मनरेगा, midday meal. Right. So it is a more of वो बुद्धि जिसको बोलते हैं ना, wisdom. Right. तो ये wisdom, it is a matter of wisdom कि how you think. Whether you want your every, let's say that key student resourceful, right? So invest in that, and tomorrow he will pay back. She will pay back. Or you want your resource unskilled and you keep running midday meal and manrega. Right. This you have to understand. So why Israel being such a small country, right, can help you in technology, but we being a big country, we take the help in technology. Although we are also having lots of developments. That is called planning. Planning should find out all these things, link. The planning is not simply, let's say, a mechanical exercise. It's try to establish link. That is how the Planning Commission was trying to change. And you should know that the Planning Commission name was also supposed to be changed as National Reform Commission on the pattern of Chinese Reform Commission. If you read Arora and Goel book, it is written in that book. Right. It was also supposed to change its name also. Right, but all that debate ended with a new party coming to power. Right, so this we have to. That's why planning is not merely about. In fact, Abraham Lincoln once had stated, "If I get 6 hours to cut a tree, 4 hours I will plan in sharpening my axe." Right. So there are, let's say that different types of states. Let's finish this.